subscribe.
Yo, Andy, how's it going, bro?
Yo, what's good, bro? I'm just cleaning the interior right now, trying to jam out the Post Malone, but there's a lot of noise in the shop today, so it means like we're actually doing work.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
We're not really used to that, actually.
No, definitely not.
Yo, guys, let's go scare Andy. He's vacuuming right now.
Ah, I'm so scared. You got me. Almost gave me a heart attack.
Just say thank you, okay?
Thank you.
And there we go, guys. Totally cleaned out. Everything got redone here. Looking absolutely perfect. Whew. The outside's looking sweet as well.
Welcome to chavesautodetailing. How may I help you today?
And action.
Oh my goodness, okay.
Get that big loft in there, boys.
Welcome to chavesautodetailing.
I'm looking for something to clean my tires.
You're looking for tire cleaner or tire shine, sir?
Cleaner.
Why are you laughing so much, sir? All right, let's take a look at our products, guys. So what are you looking for? Tire cleaner?
Tire cleaner.
So what brand are you after? Do you know what kind of brand you're looking for?
Why do you think I know that?
Okay, so we got turtle wax, not for your tires. Welcome to chavesautodetailing. How may I help you today, sir?
Hey, I'm looking for tire cleaner.
Tire cleaner or tire shine, sir?
Both.
You're looking for both?
Both.
Follow me.
Okay.
So we got the tire cleaner here. I recommend personally the one I use all the time is actually Griots. My personal favorite, the one that I use for cleaning my wheels, is Sonic's. Why I prefer this one is just
Weird. The last edit was Griots.
I don't have a personal preference for any of these. They all do pretty much the exact same thing.
Very helpful. Like, you don't have any preference about anything? That's
No, I do got personal preference about the shine.
This is what not to say to a customer.
These are. You have an applicator to apply the tire shine.
No, I
It
don't.
doesn't even have a
do sell-
tire shine at all. That's why he's here. You're selling him on a tire applicator.
Wait, you're into my sales pitch.
Oh, welcome to chavesautodetailing.
I looked up on Google that,
This guy's So I was just. Excuse me, sir. I
How can I help you?
Why do you cut me off?
Oh, hi. What are you doing? You cut me off. Hey, I just was outside and I seen the building.
Sounds good though.
Oh. Stop.
What are you cleaning? What kind of car do you got?
I actually have an Audi TT Roadster.
Oh, my aunt has one of those.
That's the only car you could think of.
Not a Mazda RX-8. What kind of vehicle do you have?
I drive a Prius.
This guy keeps laughing.
I keep saying what it is.
Okay. You got me recording right there doing this, don't you? Okay. Is it on?
yeah, it's good.
What kind of vehicle do you have?
Stop laughing.
You're looking at. What kind of vehicle do you have?
I drive a Mazda RX-8.
Oh, right on. My brother has one of those.
Oh, really? I heard he's a really nice guy.
Ah,
And really attractive.
I wouldn't say
I
that.
wouldn't say that.